Oregon. We are at zero tide. I guess not quite. Talking about invertebrates and discussion, so I wanted to come out here on the beach with you to show you the barnacles and the sea anemones that are living on these rocky outcroppings. You can see that the barnacles take the higher position. They have a protective coating so they can withstand greater variation in the more terrestrial environment. And then there in the water you can see the sea anemones. They're not really moving right now. There's quite a bit of sand in there. But essentially they collect their food as the water rushes over them. They are sensitive to particulate matter entering there. Let's go find some that might be a bit more active. Here's more. And I'm just going to touch one. You're not really supposed to do this, but you can see that it has a reaction. My daughter said, "Oh, it looks like the sensitive plants, Mom." The mimosa plants that do a similar thing. So that's one way to be an invertebrate. And then also you'll notice that when the sea urchins are closed, they look more like the barnacles. And the outside of the sea urchins has really collected a lot of calcareous debris, broken shells, and that's a form of camouflage. So you can see there, it's almost like our mountaintops in Colorado. There's like a tree line, a space where the rock is more out of the water and the species are different there, and as you can imagine, the environment is completely different. We can see those transitions higher up on rocks. And you can see that space where the vertical striations from the geologic formation, the rock, are more visible. So that's basically the zone where sessile invertebrates can no longer live. Here we have species on top of species. This rock has mussels, and there are barnacles on top of mussels. What else is going on there? So yesterday I did some research after taking the first video at the beach we were at yesterday. And there's a lot of interesting interspecies relationships going on here. The sea urchins eat parasitic organisms before they land on the barnacles, thereby performing a service to the barnacles. In the meantime, the barnacles provide a protective force for the sea urchins. So this is an example of mutualism. But then, of course, the parasitic food source we were just talking about is an example of parasitism, in which one species benefits and the other is harmed. So if the barnacles succumb to the parasites, that would be a one-way street, not a two-way street. So I also learned from my cousins who were visiting that you used to be able to travel a lot farther into this intertidal complex, but human pressures have reduced our ability to interact with nature, but also had a giant impact on nature. And just we'll swing around here really quick. You can see how many people are here. It's not too many, it's kind of cold, and it's a Wednesday and all the stores are closed. So I assume on a Saturday, this is way worse. Here we're seeing up close that thing I was talking about before. The back side of the urchins is covered in shell debris, which makes it look a lot like the barnacles. And the barnacles are harder to access as a food source because they are covered in a calcareous material. See, their mouth parts are in these holes, but the outside is very rigid. And then you can see here's the zone where the sea urchins start. These ones are all closed because they're way above the water. And then as we go farther